Creating a nether portal in Minecraft requires obsidian blocks, not water and lava. Here's a concise guide on how to create a nether portal using obsidian blocks. Gather materials. You will need a diamond or netherite pickaxe to mine obsidian blocks. Gather a minimum of 10 obsidian blocks. You can find obsidian near lava pools or in nether fortresses. Build a frame. Create a rectangular frame on the ground or a wall. The frame should be at least 4 blocks tall and 5 blocks wide. Mine obsidian. Mine obsidian blocks using your pickaxe. Be patient as obsidian takes time to mine and you will need to stand directly in front of the block while doing so. Construct the portal. Place the obsidian blocks in the rectangular frame, leaving the center empty. It should resemble a door-like shape with a hollow interior. Activate the portal. To activate the portal, use flint and steel. Right-click on the inside of the portal frame with flint and steel and the portal will ignite. Enter the nether. Step into the portal and you will be transported to the nether dimension.